Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
In today's quick comparison, we're putting two of the most advanced foldables head-to-head, the Samsung Z Fold7 and the Vivo X Fold 5. From build quality and thickness to design details and in-hand feel, we'll break down what sets them apart at a glance. This isn't the full review, just a fast, focused look at how these two foldables stack up in everyday use. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from Tech Makey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Here's a look at the thickness of the Vivo X Fold 5 compared to the Samsung Z Fold 7. In hand, both feel quite similar in terms of thickness. However, the Samsung clearly feels noticeably lighter. Moving to the camera module, Samsung's design is slightly slimmer here, which becomes more apparent from certain angles. But when viewed from a raised perspective, it seems the camera bump on the Samsung is slightly more prominent than Vivo's. That said, the overall grip of the Samsung feels more comfortable despite its boxier frame. Vivo, on the other hand, opts for more rounded corners. Still, Samsung's design comes across as more refined and premium. Once unfolded, you can really notice the difference in the crease. Take a closer look. Samsung's crease appears shallower and more subtle. Samsung's selfie camera is perfectly centered, while Vivo places its front-facing lens in the upper right corner of the inner display. In terms of design, Vivo's implementation feels slightly more seamless, whereas Samsung's module has a bit of a visible bump. Now, regarding the cover screen, Samsung has widened it in this generation, but when held, the difference isn't dramatically noticeable. It does feel a bit more comfortable in the hand compared to the previous model. Vivo also adopts a similarly narrow aspect ratio on the front, and when it comes to front-to-side screen proportions, both are quite close. Holding both devices side by side, the overall in-hand experience feels nearly identical. As for button placement, the layout is also very similar. You'll find the volume rocker above and the power button just below it. Both Samsung and Vivo continue to use side-mounted fingerprint scanners. Samsung's thickness is listed at 8.9 millimeters, while Vivo measures slightly more at 9.7 millimeters. Visually, though, the difference is barely noticeable. Both phones are impressively slim. Now, looking at the charging port area, Vivo trims the frame slightly around the port, whereas Samsung keeps it seamless with no cut in the middle. Instead, it flows in a smooth, continuous arc. This, to me, reflects a difference in craftsmanship, and in this aspect, Samsung definitely feels more premium. Here's how the two devices appear side by side. Samsung offers a more polished, refined design. That said, Vivo's color choices are still quite appealing and not at all lacking. I'll be uploading a full detailed comparison of the Samsung Z Fold 7 and Vivo X Fold 5 soon. This was just a quick first look. I've already uploaded in-depth reviews of both phones, and I must say, the Vivo X Fold 5 stands out for its impressive durability. You'll find the full detailed reviews for both devices linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content, and follow us on X for the latest gadget deals.